sharing the magic of flight. This is the Team Oracle salute. Hey, Charlie, give me a wave. Yeah, baby. Okay, the little girl in the green hat. Give me a wave. Hey, Air Show Center. You guys are the best. Give me a wave. Thanks for having me. All the friends and family of the Thunderbirds, give me a wave. Team Oracle. Yeah, baby. Hey, the man in the blue shirt, give me a wave. All right. We'll see you hopefully next year. Have a great rest of the year. God bless America.
And now as Sean eases that throttle forward, he's going to roll himself around and then return to show you the final maneuver of this afternoon sequence. This is called the Harrier Pass, named in honor of the awesome power and capabilities demonstrated by the United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier. What Sean is going to now do is make a turn around the air traffic control tower, pitch this aircraft up, and then, while using only 70% of his available horsepower, stand this aircraft on its tail and bring it to a hover in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen of Sacramento, showing you why he is considered to be one of the very best of all time. Put your hands together one final time for Sean D. Tucker and the Oracle Challenger 3. Sean is the former winner of the United States National Advanced Aerobatic Championship Trophy. In addition, Sean is the first performer to ever win both the Bill Barber Award for Air Show Showmanship and the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award